Good morning, children. I am Bulbul Sen Gupta, your maths teacher. How are you, children? I hope you are fine. Now, children, today I am going to start the word problem worksheet number 6 of unit number 4. The word problem related to the division. Chapter is division. So, I am reading the problem first. The cost of 9 cycles is rupees 13,725. Find the cost of one cycle. When there is a question, the punchline is find the cost of one cycle. Right? So it means whenever there is a question of finding the cost of one cycle or finding any one particle, when a lot of particle is given, then at that time you have to do division. Always remember that. So how you will do the solution? The cost of 9 cycles is rupees 13,725. So cost of 9 cycles is rupees 13,725. Find the cost of one cycle. So cost of one cycle is what? So here we will do divide cost of 9 cycle, 13,725 will be divided by 9. Now we will do division. This is 13,725 is a dividend. So it has how many digits? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So I will arrange it 10,000, thousands, 100, tens, ones. So 13,725. It will be divided by 9. So let's start division. We start from extreme left side, starting from the highest place value digit, that is 1. So here 10,000. 1 means 1/10,000 will be divided by 9. So 1 is less than, here 1 is less than 9. So I will multiply 9 with 0 at the 10,000 place. So 0 times of 9 is 0. So I will do division, subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now I will put down this 3 here along with 1. Now it becomes 13,000. 13,000 will be divided by 9. Here 13 is more than 9. So I will start the table. 1 times of 9, I will write 1 in the thousands place in the quotient. 1 times of 9 is 9. So I will subtract 13 minus 9. It is 4. 9 minus 13 is 4. Now I will put down this 7 along with the 9. So it is 47. Right. Here all of you see that 47 is more than 9. This is 4700. So 4700 will be divided by 9. I will start the table of 9. 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. So 9 5s are 45 is applicable. So 45 minus 42 is 2. So I am writing here 2. So I will write down this 2 along with 2. 22. Okay. 22 and start the table. 2 9s are 18. So 22 minus 18 is 4. Now I will put down this 5 here. It is 45. 9. I will write 5 at the ones place. 9 5s are 45. 45. 45 minus 45 is 0, 0. So here we see that the cost of one cycle is 1,525 rupees. Okay. So what is the result? So solution is cost of one cycle is how much? It is rupees 1,525. Okay, children? There are, question number 2. Next word problem. There are equal number of students in each class. In 24 classes, there are 1104 students. There are equal number of students in each class. In 24 classes, there are 1104 students. How many students? 1104 students. How many classes? 24 classes. How many students are there in each class? Each means one class. So let us solve it with the help of four square method. First point is understanding the keywords. Here the punchline is how many students are there in each class? Each class. It means we will have to do, each means one, we have to do division, right? So planning, what we will do? We will have to find the number of students in each class. Okay, how many classes? 24 classes. How many is total student? 1104. So this 1104, it will be divided by 24, right? Now let's see, we will solve this division, correct? So now I am going to solve it. How many number of classes? Solution. Number of classes is equals 24, correct? Number of students is equals 1104. So what we have to find out, how many students are there in each class. So number of students in one class. Each class means every class. So each class is equals, what we will do? 1104 will be divided by 24. Correct? Now let's divide. One 1104. Okay children, that is total number of students. Now we will arrange this 1104. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write the 4 place value, that is thousands, hundred, tens, ones. 1104. It will be divided by what? 24 classes. So that I will be able to find out the number of student in each class. Okay. So here 24 will be divided. It divides, it is a divisor, and 1104 is a divider. Now let's start from the extreme left side, that is 1. The value of 1 is 1000. So here 1000 will be divided by 24, but here 1 is less than 24. Correct? So I will start with 0, multiplying with 0 at the thousands place. 0 times of 24 is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Now I will put down this 1 over here along with 1. It becomes 1100. This 1100 will be divided by 24, but this 11 is less than 24. So I will again multiply 0 at the 100 place with 24. So 0 times of 24 is 0. So now I will subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now I will put down this 0 along with 11. Now it becomes 110. Now 24 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 96. Okay, 4 times of 24, it is 96. Now I will do subtraction. 0 will become 10, that is 4, and 1 will reduce to 0 and it will become 10. So 1 is reduced to 0. Now this 0 I will borrow from this one, it will become 0 and 1 will become 10. So 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. So we get 14. Now I will put down this 14 over here. Now it becomes 144. Okay. So 24 6 are 144. So I will subtract. So 0 0 0. So here the number of students in each class, this is the number of students, 46. So number of students in each class is what? 46. This is the answer. Now let's start another question. A book has 3125 pages. Rima reads 25 pages daily. In how many days will she finish the whole book? A book has 3125 pages. Rima reads 25 pages daily. In how many days will she finish the whole book? So here what are the punchlines? 3125 pages, right? And next punchline, 25 pages. Total number of pages in a book 3125, and number of pages Rima read daily 25 pages. So in how many days will she finish the whole book? So we have to find out the total number of days. Okay, daily she reads 25 pages and total number of pages are 3125, right? So here solution, number of pages R equals 3125. Okay, number of pages read daily, number of pages Rima read daily, it is 25. So in how many days will she finish the whole book? So she will finish in how many days? The whole book. Whole book. Right? So she will finish in how many days? The whole book. So we have to divide it. So total number of pages 3125. 4 digits, so I will start thousands, hundred, tens, ones, right? So 3125. Total number of pages will be divided by the number of pages read by Rima daily, 25, right? Now we will start the division from the extreme left side, the highest place value digit, that is 3000. Here 3000 will be divided by 25, but 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 25. 3 is less than 25. Here 3 is less than 25. So we will start multiplying with 0 at the thousands place. 0. 0 times of 25 is 0. So 3 minus 0 is 3. Correct? Now I will put down this one along with 3, it becomes 3100. But this 3100 will be divided by 25, but this 31 is more than 25. right? So I will multiply, use the multiplication table of 25. 1 times of 25, 1 I will write at the 100 place. So 1 times of 25 is 25. So I will subtract 31 minus 25 is 6, correct? Now next step, I will put down this 2 tens along with 600. Now it becomes 62 tens. Here 62 tens will be divided by 25, but 62 is more than 25. So I will start the table. 2 times of 25 is 50. And 3 times of 25 is 75. It is not applicable because 75 is more than 62. So here 2 times of 25 is 50. It is applicable. We can do subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now I will put down this 5 over here. Now it becomes 125 ones. So I will multiply 5 ones with 25. So 5 times of 25 is 125. So I will do subtraction. It is 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So in how many days will she finish the whole book? She will finish the whole book in 125 days. Okay, so the final answer is Rima will finish the whole book in how many days? In 125 days. This is the answer. Now next question, D. 11,424 candles are packed in 24 boxes. 11,424 candles are packed in 24 boxes. How many candles are there in each box? Now children, the punchline, 11,424 candles, okay, are packed in how many boxes? 24 boxes. So solution, number of candles, children, how much? Okay, and number of boxes is how much? So number of candles, children, how many candles are there? 11,424. 11,424. And number of boxes, how much? It is 24. This 11,424 candles are packed in 24 boxes. So what we have to find? Number of candles in each box. So number of candles in one box, in each means one box, every one box. That is 11,424 divided by 24. Now let us divide it. How many digits are there in 11,424? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. So I will start with 10,000s, thousands, 100, tens, ones. So 11,420 will be divided by 24. Right? So we will start from extreme left side, that is 1 10,000. 1 is less than 24, children. Okay. So I will multiply 24 with 0 at the 10,000 place. 0 times of 24 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now I will put down this 1 along with 1. 11,000 will be divided by 24. But here 11 is less than 24. So again I will multiply at the 1000 place with 24. 0 times of 24 is 0. So I will do subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now I will put down this 4. 114. hundreds. 114 hundreds will be divided by 24. Here 114 is more than 24. Correct? So 4 times of, I will multiply with 4. 4 4 is 16, 6. 1 carry over, 4 2 is 8, 1 9. 4 times of 24 is 96. So now I will do subtraction. 114 minus 96. So what it will remaining? It is 1 8 18. Correct? Now I will put down this 2 along with 18. Now it becomes 182. Now I will multiply with 7 at the tens place. So it will give 7 4s are 28. 2 carry over. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. Now I will do subtraction. 182 minus 168. Now I will get 2 will become 12 and 8 will become 7. So 12 minus 8 is 4 and 7 minus 6 is 1. Now I will write down this 4 over here, 144. Now I will multiply with 6. 6 times of 24 is 144. So minus 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here 476. This is the total number of candles. This is the answer. 476 candles are there in each box. So solution is, there are how many candles? 476 candles in each box. This is the answer. Now children, what is your classwork? Your classwork is, you have to do worksheet number 6, A, B, C and D. And your homework, you have to do E, F and G. This E, F and G you will do it by yourself. I have solved A, B, C and D. This A, B, C and D you have to do in a classwork. Worksheet 6 of unit 4. Okay children? Now children, hope you have enjoyed my class. If you find any kind of problem or you are having any doubt, so you can clear it through my WhatsApp number. So till then, goodbye.